Okay, let's test the puppy dog. Let's see if he'll go where he's supposed to go without a leash. All right, Riker. Stay. Stay. Come. Ah, he jumped a little bit. Come on, Riker. There's all our food for this morning. Look, everybody's food is set out. Haven't brought anybody in yet. We'll go ahead and take food out to the mares in the backfield and then bring everybody in, and when they're eating, we got a little side project to do. I ain't gonna lie, those ones make me a little bit nervous. They like to fight over the food until you get all 3 buckets set down, and then they're fine. But they do forget that you're standing right in the middle of them. Well, I got all the food set out, so we'll go out here into the different fields, grab the horses, bring them in, and then the little side project. I shouldn't even call it a side project, it's just something that has to be done every few days. But I gotta clean these water buckets, because every few days they do get dirty. I dump all the water out, clean them, and then refill them. Anyways, we'll get on that. Everybody got their food. Eat, Karma. Eat. Hey, Tim. Nick's here has gotten cut down to 1 today because he's getting fat. Ain't you, bud? Alright, got my brush. Go out here and get these buckets cleaned. So from here, we just fill all the buckets back up, turn the horses out when they're done eating, clean a couple stalls, and we're done. Alright, all done at the barn. Back in the car, rolling out, headed down to the transmission shop. I'm gonna drop some parts off for a buddy. He's getting his transfer case built for his Ram. And some of the parts came in today, so run down there, drop those off at the shop for him, and then we're off to Alabama, help my mom for a little while, and I don't know what's going to happen after that, but there's not really anything. Let me look at you guys. Okay, so there's not really anything left to film at the transmission shop or at my mom's house. So I guess we'll just catch back up with y'all when we get back home. And it's probably gonna be later this evening. I'll pick the camera up if I run into anything interesting, so. This road coming up, going up the mountain is actually a lot of fun. You probably won't be able to tell on camera, and I won't be able to go very fast since I'll be driving with one hand and shifting gears, but I'm gonna show you all the road real quick. Well, that ruined it. Maybe we'll try again going down. We'll see. Okay, let's try this going down the hill. Again, I'm gonna do this one-handed because I'm holding the camera. So probably not gonna be very fast. Hairpin. Drive this road a lot, so I don't really know it that well. Well, I think that might be about all that's going to happen today. We'll see what happens when we get back to the house. But if nothing else is going on, that's going to be in the video. So go ahead and do an outro just in case. And if you'll see more time on the video, that means something else happened. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for riding with us. We'll see you tomorrow for another one. Well, definitely cut the video short too soon. I lost the tire. So I'm gonna limp it down there to the exit, and I don't have the lug nut key with me. Of course I took the tools out of my bag. I don't know why I took the tools out of my car. That was dumb. Especially going an hour away or more to Alabama. So, oh goodness. All right, we're just gonna slowly go down the shoulder here. Hopefully we don't ruin this wheel. All right, there we go. See y'all at the gas station. Made it to the gas station. That's a bummer. All right, Mom's gonna take me home. I'm just gonna grab this Sequoia in the trailer and come get this thing. Woo, adventures. All right, so got a ride home. My mom ran me home real quick so I can grab my tools and stuff. And while I was there, I just went ahead and grabbed the Sequoia and the trailer. I know, y'all are probably like, oh, it's a tire. Just change the tire and drive the car home. But it was just easier to do it this way so I don't have to like, Riker. It was just easier to just grab the trailer and just come take the car up. That way I don't have to worry about keeping anybody out late and That way everybody can just get home and get to bed and get to work on time the next day. Absolutely no big deal. But I got co-pilot here, old Riker. I don't even know if I pointed the camera at him. But we got about 45 minutes to an hour drive to where we left the car at. We'll get her loaded up and get it home. Might as well show you all the setup while I'm getting some gas. It's actually just a heavy-duty utility trailer. We made it. From what I can tell, it looks like we still have all of our windows too. Yep. We good. So my ramps are like, I don't know, probably 100 pounds each, maybe more. They're literally dozer ramps. So I'm gonna struggle and fight to get these off here, get loaded up. But we gotta do what we gotta do. So let's get after it. That was a close one. Did not know I was that far off center. But did not touch the wheel. I got like, I don't know, half an inch to play with. But now I gotta figure out how to get the ramps up and under the car. I think they'll fit. I hope they fit. Otherwise, we're gonna have some problems. Alright, I got it wedged up in there. That was kind of awkward, but whatever. I think it'll be far enough. But we'll throw the straps on it, and I should be able to run the strap like down across it, and hopefully that strap will let. I mean, it's wedged in there though. I don't think it's going anywhere. Alright, get this thing strapped up and hit the road. Shout out Bridgemoto straps and LZ axle straps. They make this really easy.
I got this back one going like this so that ramp can't come out. Very nice. Alright, let's get on the road. I'm not going to unload it or anything tonight. I'll deal with this tomorrow. So, tune back in tomorrow. We'll get that wheel off. And I don't know why, but I have a feeling that there's another problem somewhere. I don't know. We'll see. Just wait. Just come back to the channel tomorrow. We'll get that. We'll get the car unloaded. We'll get the wheel off. And we'll see what happens. Alright. Alright, made it home. Got some tape so I can seal this up. But I threw a bag on the window for in case it rains tonight. Car's too low, so obviously I can't open the door. Windows down so I can go in and out. Blah blah blah, y'all know the drill. I'm gonna throw some tape on there. Get her sealed up because I'm pretty sure it's supposed to rain tonight. But overall, day did not go as planned, but it was not a bad day. Everything worked out. We're home, car's home, everything's fine. Tomorrow I'll unload it and see if we can either save that tire or if we'll have to go get a new one or see if there's like a different problem somewhere. I don't know why, but I feel like something popped it and I don't think it was the road. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, that's gonna be all for today. I still have to go edit and post yesterday's video. And I've got like 2 hours. Otherwise nothing will go up on today. My today. And then the whole challenge of posting every single day in December will be a fail. So I don't want to do that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for riding with us. See you tomorrow for another one.